welcome back. I'm Jen from Jen's House of Six, and I have a little bit different scenery today. And also, you guys, my hair, I had the unnamed sickness twice now, and my hair was so thin, but now it's growing in. So this is actually happy, but I'm having to deal with it. Like, I don't know how to do my hair because I have this like all over my head. I have patches of this even up all in my hair. So I've been taking a lot of collagen and protein, hoping my hair will get a little bit thicker because it was so thin from losing so much hair. But it's getting better, okay? But we just have to deal with this kind of thing. So overlook that. It looks like I didn't comb my hair when I actually did. This is the introduction to my home tour. I had to come outside because my house is full and it's very noisy in there. Even in the bedrooms you can hear everyone talking, so I thought, why not come outside and you can hear birds chirping instead. I finally got around to doing my home tour, and you will probably notice that some of the way it's decorated is actually different than some of the other videos. It's because I had to take these videos at different times, at different days, when they were actually clean. And even in my kitchen video, I have dishes out on the counter, you'll see. But you know what? We live in our house, and it's a tiny house. It's only 1,200 square foot for the 6 of us. So if it looks like we live there, it's because we do. I tried to video it when it was the most clean-ish, and also trying to do it when no one was home was very hard. So that's why it's all at different times and different times of the day. You may notice that in the lighting. And I do want to apologize for the lighting because my phone was trying to adjust the shadows and the light, so you will see it kind of darken and then it will brighten up. So I apologize for that, but it can't be helped. I don't have professional equipment. It's just me and my cell phone for right now. I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this home tour. It's not as long as I was thinking it was going to be. I really wanted to add in what it looked like before, like do a before and after, and I am planning on doing that. I just knew it would take me a lot more time and I couldn't get it done within the week. I try to do one video a week. It's all I can do to just get that one video out. So you guys have to have patience with me. I really appreciate you sticking around, hanging out with us and watching. But if you would like to go back, I do have all of that on my channel. If you kind of scroll down, you'll see what it looked like before we started, and buddy, it was pretty bad. Let's just say. So lots of dirt, lots and lots and lots of tools and junk, and yeah, a lot of work. But we made it through and it all looks great today, and it's working. We're living and enjoying life. We knew the inside wasn't going to be huge, but that's okay because we were out in the country and we had land. So I feel like it doesn't feel as claustrophobia because the outside is so big. So we are more of an outdoors family. I have 3 boys and a girl, and they very much enjoy the outdoors. The younger ones aren't used to being outdoors as much, so I'm kind of like, go play outside, go play outside. They're having to learn new habits. So, but it's always good to get outside and get some fresh air. I grew up in the country, and once you've been in the country and live there, it's just really very hard to go back. Not that you can't, it's just very hard to go back, and there's just nothing like it. So we feel very blessed to even be able to be here. My grandpa and grandma are right next door, and so is my dad, and my brother and his family are the field over. They live there, and we have friends kind of all around us, and our church is not too far. So it's just we're in a good place right now, and I just feel really blessed, grateful for that, like undeserving almost. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions about anything, if I missed showing you something, let me know. I know I didn't show you the outside, but I'm working on that. Our outside has everything covered up from the winter because the wind blows constantly out here, which is great when it's hot, but in the winter it kind of blows things around. So I am going to work on an outdoor tour whenever we're able to get all of our outdoor kind of set up for the summer, spring and summertime. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video.